Foundation drawing is the first technical step in planning a strong and durable building structure. Construction blueprints clearly show the layout, dimensions, and depth of the foundation before work begins on site. A proper foundation plan ensures that the building load is safely transferred to the soil beneath. Engineers carefully study soil conditions before preparing foundation construction drawings. The blueprint usually includes footing size, column positions, and reinforcement details. Accurate measurements in foundation drawings prevent costly mistakes during construction. Site preparation begins after reviewing and approving the foundation blueprint. Excavation depth is marked according to the foundation plan dimensions. Layout marking on the ground follows the grid lines shown in the construction drawing. A centerline drawing helps workers position footings correctly. The blueprint specifies whether the foundation is shallow or deep. Shallow foundations are commonly used for small residential buildings. Deep foundations are required for heavy structures or weak soil conditions. Footing details in the drawing show length, width, and thickness. Reinforcement bars are illustrated clearly in structural foundation plans. Bar bending schedules are often attached with foundation drawings. Concrete grade is mentioned in the blueprint specifications. The drawing also indicates curing time requirements for concrete. Construction notes guide workers on mixing ratios and compaction. Foundation sections in blueprints show vertical cross-sectional views. Elevation drawings help understand the foundation level relative to ground level. Plinth level marking is an important part of foundation planning. Damp-proof course details are included in the foundation blueprint. Proper drainage planning is shown around the foundation layout. Soil compaction instructions are often written in construction notes. Anti-termite treatment guidelines may be included.